Hello and welcome back to Knowledge Maze. Today, in our list of the top 10 most cute looking snakes in the world. Snakes are often feared and misunderstood creatures, but there are some species that are undeniably adorable. From colorful patterns to unique features, these snakes will make you rethink your opinions on these slithery creatures. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. Please like, share, and do comments on video. Number 10 in our list is the ball python. Starting off our list is the ball python, also known as the royal python. This species is known for its docile nature, making it a popular choice for pet owners. Their smooth and shiny skin, as well as their various colors and patterns, make them a stunning and adorable sight to see. Number 9 in our list is the hog island boa. The hog island boa is a smaller species of boa that is native to the Caribbean. With their adorable round faces and beautiful color patterns, these snakes are a fan favorite among reptile enthusiasts. Number 8 in our list is the Kenyan sand boa. These snakes are known for their small size, with males only reaching up to 2 feet in length. Their beautiful striped patterns and unique eyes make them an irresistible sight to see. Number 7 in our list is the milk snake. The milk snake is a non-venomous species that is found in North and South America. Their vibrant colors and patterns are often compared to that of a coral snake, which is venomous. This beautiful and harmless snake is a popular pet and a must-see in any zoo. Number 6 in our list is the green tree python. The green tree python is a stunning and unique species that is native to Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. Their bright green skin and curled-up sleeping positions make them one of the most adorable snakes on this list. Number 5 in our list is the garter snake. Garter snakes are a common species found in North America and are often kept as pets due to their docile nature. Their slender and long bodies, as well as their unique color patterns, make them an adorable sight to see. Number 4 in our list is the rough green snake. The rough green snake is a small and harmless species found in the southeastern United States. Their bright green skin, slender bodies, and large eyes make them a cute and interesting sight to see in the wild. Number 3 in our list is the children's python. The children's python is a small and non-venomous species found in Australia. Their cute and round faces, as well as their beautiful color patterns, make them an adorable addition to any pet owner's collection. Number 2 in our list is the Amazon tree boa. The Amazon tree boa is a beautiful and unique species that is native to Central and South America. Their bright colors and patterns, as well as their prehensile tails, make them an adorable and fascinating sight to see. Number 1 in our list is the smooth green snake. A species found in North America. These snakes are known for their bright green skin, as well as their small size and unique features. Their adorable and docile nature make them a popular choice for pet owners. That concludes our list of the top 10 most cute-looking snakes in the world. While snakes may still seem scary to some, these species prove that there is more to them than meets the eye. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating animal videos.